Let's get in the crumble.
I don't.
Who am I to deprive her of her adoring fans? She has a mosquito bite. It's okay. We live in the country. First up, we have cinnamon roll cheesecake. I was afraid the cheesecake flavor would get drowned out, but it doesn't. So I'm going to give that a 9 out of 10. Up next, we have raspberry cupcake. Okay. There you go. I love this cookie. The raspberry flavor is so prominent. Thank you. I'm going to give it a 10. Next, we have chocolate milkshake cookie. Good bite. Well, I think she likes this one. I love the texture of the sprinkles. Y'all know I'm a texture person. I'm gonna give this a 9. Excuse me.
Dang.
This is milk glaze cookie featuring fruity pebbles. All right. This one's a little hard. I don't like fruity pebbles. I'm sorry, that gets like a 3. Now we have the saddest pink donut cookie. Good bite. This is just a sugar cookie, nothing special, and there's not much on it. So I'm sorry, Crumble. I'm gonna have to give this a 6. Last up, we've got s'mores cookie featuring Hershey.
All done.
All done? Oh, okay. All right. I do taste more s'mores flavor in that one than the other s'mores cookie, so I'll give it an 8. Say bye-bye. Yeah? Okay.
It was so good.
Sorry, I love you.
Let's see how many bites it takes me to finish this soft taco. Sitting in a Taco Bell parking lot and somebody just pulled up right next to me. Here's your bite. Parking lot and somebody just pulled up right next to me. Like, I know it's a parking lot, but I'm ducked off in the back and it's like parking lot courtesy. No, what gets me when people park so close when I'm eating is that I purposely pick a spot way in the back where there's tons of parking spaces and you're gonna park right next to me. This is hands down my favorite Taco Bell item. Let's see if we can do it in 2. My mouth is on fire.
We are trying the new Y2K items from Taco Bell. I got this on the side because I want to see what this tastes like. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Color. Open up for me, please. Okay. So cool. Look at this box. Comes with a little side of nachos. Cheese and ranch that I have right here. Ooh. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna give these tacos to my dad because I share around here. And I'm gonna eat this on the next video. So if y'all wanna see the next video, come look at the next video. This is just like a little setup video, I guess. Bye. If you wanna see me eat this, come watch the next video. I think I already said that, but oh well.
Crumble cinnamon roll cheesecake, giant, mini one. Here's your bite.
I am so incredibly excited to be trying 4 cookies from Nami Cookie. This is a small business in New York run by 2 high school students. We are going to start with the dark chocolate pistachio. I love the dark chocolate. I think it balances out this cookie so beautifully. The dough is not too sweet. White choco macadamia. That one I didn't get much white chocolate. They're using honey roasted macadamias in that, and I love that because honestly, I'm not a huge fan of macadamia nuts. I think they're a little bit too nutty, but like a bland nut. Does that make sense? Ferrero Rocher. That one is actually a little bit underbaked. It's really, really soft, really doughy in the center. I'm actually not a huge fan of Ferrero Rochers in cookies. I think the wafer gets a little bit like stale. Flavors are good, but that one's not my favorite. Pecan praline. I would love to see like a sea salt element to this, or like a brown sugar or a cinnamon or something. Something's missing for me. You could definitely tell that love was put into these, and just the flavors feel a little bit more quality, if that makes sense.
Hey, what's happening? Look at this beautiful cheese pool. I am trying to eat as much as I can before my surgery. It's the day before Thanksgiving and I'm not gonna be able to chew, only swallow. Thank you for watching and pray for me because I'm gonna be swollen.
Day 1 of eating different chocolate shapes. I'm going to eat all of these within a week. So let's get it. I think I'm going to try this white one. It's like a cute little monster, but it kind of reminds me of something, but I can't quite think of the name. So comment on what you think the inside is going to look like. You got 5 seconds. If you guessed right, you get a cookie. It's Dubai filled, my favorite. The crunch. Let me know which one I should eat next.
Of course we're doing another soup dumpling video. Ah! This is gonna be amazing. Oh, I did something a little different. I put banana peppers on some of these and jalapenos on the other ones because I wanted like a little extra kick this time. Girl, that's enough talking. Let's get into it at that. Oh, that's amazing. Let's try banana pepper. So these ones are pork dumplings. The last ones I had were chicken dumplings. Look at that. The hype around these is real. You're scared to get them, bitch. I'm telling you right now, you are gonna love them. My next ones, I think I want to put sour cream on them because I've seen people do that and that looks so good.
Football themed cupcakes, ice cold milk, comes with a little ring. We need to get a new one. It disintegrated so fast. Rainbow sprinkles. Cupcake sandwich. Last bite. Way too messy.